What's up, everybody? This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. So I got the Galaxy S10E. Can it play games? And if it can, how the battery life and does it get hot? I got a gamepad here. I got some games ready to go. So let's go on to do the gaming review on the Galaxy S10E. So sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready. And let's have some fun with the Galaxy S10E. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So I got the Galaxy S10E. Can it play games? Look, I'm at 100% battery life. At the time it is about 1:57, and we're gonna play us 4 games here, and we're gonna check the temperature and see if this device get hot. So first thing we're gonna do, check the temperature. We're at 96 degrees Fahrenheit. We don't have no apps open, so that's good. So we're gonna start this off good. One of the advantages of having the smaller version is it's a one-handed device, and especially if you want to play some one-handed games, like one of the games I'm about to play right now. It's a one-handed game. It works very good, and I've been playing some games on the Galaxy S10s, and it works great. Now, the speakers on here also is great. So the load times is also great. And as you can see, one-handed use, and boom. So I like some of these games here. As you can see, one-handed use, that you can play these type of high-end games with one hand, and they work pretty good. Now the screen is a 5.8 inch in 18 by 9, 19 by 9 aspect ratio, and we got the 855. We got 6 gigs of RAM, all the bells and whistles in the device, and as you can see, playing the game with no problem. So one of the unique features of having a device this small is that you can play games with one hand, and there it is. All right, so that's one game I wanted to show you guys real quick that you can play with one hand, and the touchscreen latency is very good. As you can see, I can go side to side. It's not bad at all. Boom, right? So let's get out of here. All right, we still at 100% battery life. 98 degrees Fahrenheit. So it went up and then it went down. Actually, it's going down, so that's wonderful. Let's go on and pop this here. I've made a lot of videos about this joystick. I have this paired to my Galaxy S10E, and we're gonna pop this in. We're gonna play us some games. So let's pop this puppy right on in. All right, so I got the joystick ready to go. I'm going to play me some Dead Trigger 2, and I'm going to use the joystick. One of the unique features of having this type of joystick is that you can pop the phone in here. It's Bluetooth enabled, it has low latency, and it plays games without a hitch. So let's go on and play us a game. Let me let y'all guys see how the controls work with the game. Let's play. All right, so as you can see, I got the controller ready to go. I got Dead Trigger 2 here, and boom, there it is. And I'm gonna tell you, the screen size is right on the money when it comes down to playing games. I'm gonna tell you, 5.8 inches, not as small as you think. And as you can see, boom. Come on, let's go, boom. Yes. And all the controls work very good. And boom, yes. And I mean, it's playing this game smooth and fluid, as you expected. 855, 6 gigs of RAM. There it is, no problems at all with this device playing high intensive games. That's Dead Trigger 2 on the Galaxy S10E. All right, so let's get out of here. All right, let's go straight to CPU temp. It's not bad, 107, 105, and it's dropping very rapidly. So no problem. And as you can see, as I played the first game, the little peephole notch was not a factor. Samsung has definitely optimized this device pretty well. As you can see, it's only using 3.8 gigs of RAM. Battery life dropped by 1% as I'm playing this game for a few minutes. All right, so let's go to the next game, and we're gonna play us some Asphalt 8. The load times for Asphalt 8 has been pretty good. Again, look at the peephole notch. Some will love it, some will hate it. All right. So somewhere love it, somewhere hate it. There it is. Using the joystick here. Boom. Let's rock and roll. And the graphics on this one is really good. Graphics is very good. Yes. And you can change all kinds of things here. But as you can see, it's playing it without a hitch. No stuttering, no hiccups, no problems with Asphalt 8 on the Galaxy S10E. Boom. Let's get out of here. All right, and let's go straight into our temperature. Fantastic. Wow. Now, if you watch my YouTube channel, I played a lot of games and I've reached 130s, 140s, 150s playing games. And this device is definitely staying pretty cool. Right now, I lost another % of battery life, but that's not bad. Not bad at all. And I got all games still in the RAM. All right, we're going to go to them after we play our last game. We're going to play Modern Combat 5. All right, so the load times on this game was pretty good here. So let's go on and play here. Boom. There it is. We're ready to go. All right, let's reload. Let's go. Boom. Oh, come on, reload. Come on. Shoot, I ain't playing that. That's what I'm talking about. Shoot. All right, as you can see, the game is playing really good. Now, you could get sucked in here with this game. So without a doubt, you definitely can get sucked in here. And some things you might have to press the screen, of course, right? So boom. There it is. No big deal. No big deal. As you can see, the graphics is good on here and everything works out great. Oh, come on, reload. Let's go. All right. So I don't want to play it too long. I just want y'all guys to see that. All right, let's go straight into our temperature here. Again, 102, 100s is going down, and battery life is at 99% here on the app, but up top it says 98%. So we only lost 2% playing this game, and didn't get hot. So that's great. Let's go down and see if the device still have games in RAM. All right. So that's reconnected to the server. All right. So that's reconnected to the server. All right. So that's still in the RAM. All right. All right. Let's go and go back. Let's see here. Boom. All right. Yeah. So that's in the RAM. All right. So it's right where I started. Well, right where I ended. All right. Let's go back here. And where we was at here. Let's go back to our game there. All right, resume game. Okay, again, it was still in the RAM, right where I left off. So let's see. The ship is not pulling up. Okay. All right, so as you can see, it started right where the mothership was right here, and the game ship was right there. So that one has a little glitch in it. There it is, right? Galaxy S10E played all the games without a hitch. We had a problem with this game. It didn't reload. That might have was the app. But all games was in RAM. The Asphalt 8 was, Modern Combat 5 was, and Dead Trigger was. It actually, the game ended, so it was right on time. We lost a couple of percent in battery life, and we had 96% as far as temperature. And the device is nice and cool. Even though I played a few minutes of gaming here, I didn't want to drag out the video too long. But overall, one-handed device, it will play any game that you throw at it. And yes, I do have PUBG Mobile on there. If you listen, I played this game. It plays very well, so no problem with that. I played Nova, L, Legacy, and all the games here. This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think. by the Galaxy S10E in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace.